New York University Tandon School of Engineering is a polytechnic institute, and is one of the schools and colleges that comprise New York University. Founded in 1854, the school is the second oldest private engineering and technology school in the United States. Curriculum is based on an European Polytechnic University model emphasizing instruction of technical arts and applied sciences. The school's main campus is in Brooklyn's Metro Tech Center, an urban academic industrial research park. History. On May 17, 1853, a group of Brooklyn businessmen wrote a charter to establish a school for young men, named Brooklyn Collegiate and Polytechnic Institute. The school moved into its first home at 99 Livingston Street in Brooklyn. The first class, admitted in 1855, consisted of 265 young men ages 9 to 17. The school conferred its first bachelor's degrees in 1871. Graduate programs began in 1901 and the school awarded its first doctoral degree in 1921. From 1889 to 1973, the school became known as Polytechnic Institute of Brooklyn. In 1917, the preparatory program separated from the institute and became the Polytechnic Preparatory Country Day School. Polyprep is now located in the Darker Heights section of Brooklyn. Polytechnic Institute moved to its present location in 1957, the former site of the American Safety Razor Company factory, where it became a co-educational institution. In the early 1970s, New York University faced financial hardships, leading it to sell its University Heights campus that housed NYU's engineering school. Polytechnic Institute of Brooklyn acquired the faculty, programs and students of New York University's School of Engineering and Science in 1973 to form Polytechnic Institute of New York. Polytechnic Institute of New York gained university status in 1985 and changed its name to Polytechnic University. Distinction through technology in 1986. Polytechnic University in Brooklyn was the largest technological university in the New York metropolitan area and the second largest in graduate enrollment in the nation after the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Of the 300 engineering schools in the United States, Polytechnic had the second largest graduate enrollment and was among the most successful institutions in the country as a producer of science and engineering graduates who went on to doctoral studies. An average of 7.2% of Polytechnic graduates went on to achieve a PhD, compared with two other schools with large engineering programs: Carnegie Mellon, with an average of 6%, and Princeton, with 4.5%. Polytechnic was a full-fledged university generally rated academically in the top 5% of all U.S. colleges and universities, and was well known for its research centers in electrophysics and polymer blends. In 2001, the school successfully completed a 4-year, $275 million campaign, surpassing expectations by raising more than $275 million over the 4-year period. Present in 2008, the school became affiliated with NYU once again, and Polytechnic University changed its name to Polytechnic Institute of New York University. The school fully merged with NYU in 2014, changing its name to New York University Polytechnic School of Engineering. In 2015, a $100 million gift from Chandrika and Ranjan Tandon for engineering at NYU resulted in the school changing its name to New York University Tandon School of Engineering. Name. The school has carried a number of different names. 1854, Brooklyn Collegiate and Polytechnic Institute. 1889, Polytechnic Institute of Brooklyn. 1973, Polytechnic Institute of New York. 1985, Polytechnic University. 2008, Polytechnic Institute of New York University. 2014, New York University Polytechnic School of Engineering. 2015. New York University Tandon School of Engineering. New York University Affiliation in 1973. New York University's School of Engineering and Science disaffiliated with NYU and merged with the Polytechnic Institute of Brooklyn to form the Polytechnic Institute of New York. In 2007, the Polytechnic University and New York University Boards of Trustees discussed a merger of Polytechnic University and NYU. The following year, Polytechnic University's Board of Trustees voted to affiliate with New York University with the goal to become NYU's Engineering, Applied Science, and Technology School. The New York State Regents approved the change of charter, making NYU the sole member of Polytechnic University. In 2014, the school completed its merger with NYU to become the NYU Polytechnic School of Engineering. In 2015, a $100 million gift from Chandrika and Ranjan Tandon for engineering at NYU resulted in the school changing its name to NYU Tandon School of Engineering. Campuses. The NYU Tandon School of Engineering main campus is in downtown Brooklyn and is close to public transportation routes. In addition to its main address at Metro Tech Center in downtown Brooklyn, the school offers programs in Manhattan. The school is an integral part of NYU Abu Dhabi, NYU Shanghai and the NYU Center for Urban Science and Progress in downtown Brooklyn. Brooklyn campus. The school played a major role in bringing about Metro Tech Center, one of the largest urban university corporate parks in the United States, while closing down a larger campus at its former Long Island Graduate Center. Today, the 16-acre, $1 billion complex in Brooklyn includes the school's main campus, along with several technology-dependent companies such as Securities Industry Automation Corporation, as well as New York City Police Department's 911 Center, New York City Fire Department headquarters and the U.S. Technology and Operations functions of J.P. Morgan Chase. The school has 7 buildings in Brooklyn, as well as leased spaces in some other nearby buildings. The 7 buildings are as follows: Jacobs Academic Building, Jacobs Administration Building, Rogers Hall, Wunsch Building, Dibner Building, Uthma Residence Hall, Civil Engineering Building, an 8th 460,000 square foot building, adjacent to Rogers Hall, will open in fall 2017. Manhattan site located in downtown Manhattan. This site offers degree programs in financial engineering, management of technology, information management and accelerated management of technology, and the Exec 21 Construction Management Certificate. Online. NYU Tandon Online is the online learning unit at NYU Tandon School of Engineering, which offers 8 master's degrees, 2 graduate certificates, and 6 certificates of completion programs fully online. Focused on peer-to-peer engagement, the unit has been recognized as providing one of the top online learning programs by U.S. News & World Report, and the Online Learning Consortium among others. Academic profile. Departments: Applied Physics, Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering, Civil and Urban Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Computer Engineering, Finance and Risk Engineering, Mathematics, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, Technology, Culture and Society, Technology Management and Innovation. Accreditation. All undergraduate and graduate programs at the engineering school are accredited by the Middle States Association. Undergraduate chemistry students have the option to pursue a degree approved by the American Chemical Society, the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology, the Computer Science Accreditation Board, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, American Society of Civil Engineers, International Association of Financial Engineers, Institute of Industrial Engineers, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, Construction Management Association of America, American Institute of Chemical Engineers, American Society for Metals, Society of Manufacturing Engineers, American Academy of Environmental Engineers, Biomedical Engineering Society, American Chemical Society, American Physical Society and the Joint Policy Board for Mathematics have recognized the school's undergraduate and graduate programs in engineering, computer science and physics, chemistry and mathematics. Rankings: ranked number 1 pay scale Best Value College in NY State in 2015, ranked number 8 by U.S. News & World Report. Best Online Graduate Engineering Programs in 2015, ranked number 9 by the Princeton Review. Top Graduate Schools for Video Game Design in 2015, ranked number 16 among financial engineering and mathematical finance programs in North America in 2014, ranked number 47 in U.S. News 2015 Graduate Engineering Programs. Research. Some of the school's first research institutes included the Polymer Research Institute, established in 1942, and the Microwave Research Institute, established in 1945. The American Chemical Society designated the Polymer Research Institute as a National Historic Chemical Landmark on September 3, 2003. The Microwave Research Institute developed electromagnetic and microwave defense and communication systems and later renamed itself the Weber Research Institute. Other notable research centers of the institute include NSF-sponsored Wireless Internet Center for Advanced Technology, which ranked number 1 among technology research centers in funding and number 2 in the number of industry participants according to the United States National Science Foundation Center for Advanced Technologies in Telecommunications, a New York State and NSF-sponsored research center that is also affiliated with Columbia University. NSF-funded Internet Security and Information Systems Lab, a U.S. National Security Agency designated Center of Excellence in Information Assurance, Information Assurance Education and a Center of Excellence in Research, and the New York State Resiliency Institute for Storms and Emergencies, which is housed jointly at NYU's Brooklyn campus and Stony Brook University. Over the years, the school has been a key center of research in the development of microwave physics, radar, polymers and the space program. During World War II, the school's Microwave Research Institute worked on problems whose solution led to the development of radar, and later broke ground in electromagnetic theory and electronics in general. In later years, the school participated in the space program, solving re-entry problems of the manned space capsules. The school has been affiliated with some major inventions and innovations including the Panama Canal locks, lock-making, the Brooklyn Bridge cables, cable lift elevators, cordless phones, ATM machines, barcodes, laser, radar, penicillin, polymers, elevator brakes, lightweight, ultra-durable automotive brake rotor, light beer, cardiac defibrillator, artificial cardiac pacemaker, RFID, contact lenses, zoom lens, first telephone handset, commercial television, non-stick coating as an application of Teflon, suspension system for the largest radio telescope, microwave technology, Apollo lunar module, the first, and to date only, manned spacecraft to operate exclusively in the airless vacuum of space, X-ray crystallography, structure of the DNA molecule, submarine, modern, refrigerator, AC generator, electric motors, transformer, submarine communications facilities, development of the artificial sweetener aspartame, development of non-toxic processes to create food colorings and remove caffeine from coffee, the quasi-complementary amplifier circuit, lateral transistor, the wireless microphone, as well as Eugene Kleiner's first semiconductor, and Spencer Trask's investing and supporting of Thomas Edison's invention of the electric light bulb. Academic labs and research centers include Computational Mechanics Laboratory, Dynamical Systems Laboratory, Brooklyn Experimental Media Center, Wireless Implementation Testbed Laboratory, Biointerfacial Engineering and Diagnostics Lab, Control and Telecommunications Research Laboratory, High-Speed Networking Lab, Power and Power Electronics Engineering Laboratory, Site Game Innovation Lab, Protein Engineering and Molecular Design Laboratory, Translational Neuroengineering, Urban Future Lab, Research Centers. Research at the engineering school is conducted either through academic departments or through one of many interdisciplinary research centers, including Center for Advanced Technology and Telecommunications, Center for Finance and Technology, Institute for Mathematics and Advanced Supercomputing, Polymer Research Institute, Urban Intelligent Transportation Systems Center, Wireless Internet Center for Advanced Technology, CRISSP, Weber Research Institute, Research Center for Risk Engineering, Materials Research Science and Engineering Center, Rehabilitation Engineering Research Center, the Games for Learning Institute, Media and Games Network, New York State Resiliency Institute for Storms and Emergencies, NYU Wireless, Biomatrix Research Center, CUSP. The Center for Urban Science and Progress is a degree-granting research facility of NYU located at Metro Tech Center in downtown Brooklyn, New York. Its permanent 460,000 square foot building adjacent to NYU School of Engineering's Rogers Hall will open in fall 2017.